Are you looking for a newer townhouse with abundance of light in a premium location right in front of a park with great access and view? Come check it out.
Golden light by the parkside trees, a corner home that moves so easily. 高天花把光都拉长，忙碌世界里留一点松绑。1950 Cambridge Drive, where the quiet and the city collide. Mountain view lights glowing at night, feels like home the moment you arrive. 3 private suites, each with its own space. Soft calm mornings, unhurried pace. An office nook where new ideas grow, while the world outside keeps moving fast below. The kitchen flows into laughter and wine. Late night stories stretching past midnight. Every hallway bright, every window wide. Comfort and elegance living side by side. 1950 Cambridge Drive, close to dreams built in Silicon Valley nights. Near Google lights and Stevens Creek skies, still somehow peaceful inside. From Sierra Vista sunsets to weekend rides, through tree-lined trails where the seasons slide. A rare kind of living you just can't hide. Modern warmth with a timeless vibe. 1950 Cambridge Drive, a place where every detail feels right. Los Altos 学区把未来打开，这一刻梦想终于有了门牌。
So what do you think? Do you like what you see? Contact your agent or contact us. Thinking about buying or selling? Just say when.